Hello, this is Jeff Sauer, and welcome to the periodic table of Google Analytics. Today we're going to talk about a special report. It's called the Geography Reports in Google Analytics. The reason why we're doing this here, and the reason why I'm talking about geography, is because I'm recording this on location from Cinque Terre in Italy, and I figured why not talk about geography reports while we're in a really cool geography. So these reports are available to anybody who wants to use Google Analytics. It's a beginner level skill that you learn looking at the geographic reports. And what it really tells you is who's coming to your website, where they're coming from, both from a country perspective, and then you can drill down into states if you're in the United States, or regions, or different areas of your country. You can also look at cities, and then also in the United States you can look at the DMA, the designated marketing area. And you can use this in order to understand where your visitors are coming from. Now, I find this location targeting to be pretty accurate because Google has a very strong repository of IP addresses and they can tie them to locations. So I find this to be pretty accurate. And so Geo Reports is something that a lot of people will use when they first get started in Google Analytics and find some good insights there. One thing I'd be aware of though is that this report doesn't really change very often, so when you're looking at these reports, probably is going to be the same distribution across countries, whether you're looking at it daily or weekly or even yearly. And so don't put too much effort into these reports. It might be something to look at first to show your company, to see where people are coming from, get them interested in analytics, but I wouldn't necessarily need to look at this thing every single day. And so my pro tip is to use the geography of the people that are coming in to segment and to try and understand where people are coming from. So for example, one of the ways that I use this report often is to determine if I have a lot of people visiting my website who shouldn't be there, whether it's spammers, people coming from referral spam, which we'll talk about in another element, or even talking about people who are from my own company. So the geography reports help you really understand where people are coming from, who they are, and they're available to anybody, and you don't really need to do much to configure them. They just sort of work right out of the box. And so that's it for the geography reports in the periodic table of Google Analytics. For more information, please stay tuned and go to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/c/Jeffalytics or click on the button below. Thank you.